Welcome to the channel. Today is a short video where we'll be running through the main features of the Aosu Video Doorbell Ultra. Plus we'll be giving away one of these amazing video doorbells to a lucky competition winner. And if you miss out on the giveaway, you can pick up one of these from the Aosu website, link in the pop-up above and the description below, for the Prime Day discount price of $129.99 US down from $179.99 US. Through this video, I'll ask a question based on the Aosu Video Doorbell Ultra video, link in the pop-up above. If you answer the question correctly in the comments, then I'll randomly select one winner and Aosu will send you out a free Aosu Video Doorbell Ultra in the mail. Just one caveat, you'll need to live in North America or Europe. Sorry everyone else. I'll announce the winner in the comments and in the community posts in the weeks to come, so please keep an eye out. Good luck to everyone and on with the features of the Aosu Video Doorbell. The first thing to mention here is that you, the customers, love this doorbell. Customer satisfaction has increased from 95 to 96% based on the Aosu website. And this is reflected on the increase in customer satisfaction for the reviews in Amazon, increasing from 4.4 to 4.5 out of 5. And for all you statisticians out there, you know how difficult it is to get even the smallest increase in customer rating when you are approaching the top of your range. Well done, Aosu. Of which you can add my 5-star rating also. My best video doorbell I've ever owned. So what makes this such a great video doorbell? Let's have a look at the features. Dual power supply options of battery for up to 180 days, or just wire into your existing old doorbell wiring. The 5 megapixel picture quality is simply stunningly clear. And not only that, the way the camera handles auto white balance in difficult conditions makes this a standout from the rest. The onboard triple AI motion detection while maintaining the super long battery life shows that the Aosu engineers know how to balance technology and giving maximum customer satisfaction. Providing on-device 8GB of memory so that you don't need to remember to insert your microSD card is genius. Onboard would be quicker, more reliable and more convenient for customers. Giving you a viewing aspect ratio of 4:3 allows you to focus on the person from head to toe. Now your giveaway competition question. What was the date of the recording from my front door in the application configuration section of the Aosu video review? Links in the description below. Good luck everybody. Now back to the features. By providing dual band Wi-Fi, you give the customer the best of both worlds. The range of 2.4 GHz with the speed and less congestion of 5 GHz. Let the camera make the decisions as to which is the best to give you the best viewing performance based on the environment and network. And because Aosu have complete confidence in their product, you get a 30-day money-back guarantee when you purchase from the Aosu website, plus a full 365-day warranty for peace of mind. And for those of you that are not technically minded, having an excellent 24/7 support line to call if you have any issues gives you the peace of mind to know that you'll be up and running super quickly. I hope you enjoyed this short competition video and the full video review. Thank you for Aosu for providing the free Aosu Video Doorbell Ultra. Good luck to all those who enter. And if you enjoyed the video, then please like, comment and subscribe. And maybe become a channel member to get early access to videos and other member features, including the chance to win other channel giveaways in the future. And if I've helped you make a purchasing decision, then maybe buy me a coffee or a PayPal donation. It's really appreciated. Until the next one, let's hope you don't suffer from postal phobia.